Guys, my name is Divya. Welcome back to my channel Stylish Mama. So today's video is gonna be about this makeup look right here. So this is a kind of a makeup look that you can just carry out at night, in a daytime as well. You can just, if you don't like the red lip shade, you can change it with another a nude kind of a color, a pinkish nude or a mauvish nude, or you can just carry out like this only. So this look can be taken out with a brunch or a date or a dinner or something like that. So how I did this look, just keep on watching and make sure guys that you subscribe to my channel, which is Stylish Mama, and share it with your friends, and let's just grow a cute family that I've already told you guys. And now let's just get started. Firstly, I'm just gonna moisturize my face, and for that I'll be using my most favorite product from Pond's, and this is the product. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It's a bomb, guys. If you have oily skin, combination skin, you can use this, and they have it in dry skin also. आप dry skin वाला buy कर सकते हैं. It's magic, guys. It's good for summers. It's good for winters as well. I'm using in winters. यहाँ पे winters है पंजाब में, so I'm using it in winters also. It's a very moisturizing moisturizer. I love it. So, and firstly I'm gonna be doing my eyes. So for that I'll be using a concealer. That is a Maybelline concealer. By the way guys, I will put the information regarding the products in the description box below, so you can just check that out. So I'm gonna use my fingers to kind of blend that in. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this loose powder, and I'm just gonna set my. So today guys, I'll be using a cut creased makeup look, and for that, first of all, I'm being using this brown shade. I'm sorry I hit the pan of this product. I'm sorry for this packaging, but it's okay guys. If you love a color, it's good to kind of use it regularly. So I'm just gonna be taking this color, and I'm just gonna start putting it on my crease. So very light handed, you have to put it on your lid like this, like very light handed. You have to like kind of blend that into your eyelid. You don't need to so I'm dragging the product outside of my lid to kind of give that longitudinal effect to my eye makeup. So obviously I will set the stuff by concealer. So I've done cut crease. I have put in this. See, I have make a little longitudinal effect. This shade, light shade, because it matches my outfit, it's light in color, and I'm just gonna pat this color. So I'm gonna be using the eyeliner from K Beauty. I think this is one of the best eyeliners I have ever used. The tip of the eyeliner is very thin, and it just gives a very nice look. I'm just gonna start like this. So I have to
go like this. Guys, this is the trickiest part. Just take your time. And then do your
eyebrows. I always have one of my favorite, and that is this Miss Claire eyebrow cake. This is one of the bestest product I've ever discovered. It's very affordable. I'm gonna be taking my favorite foundation, which is none other than this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The only drawback of this foundation is that it's very light coverage. You have to kind of build the coverage. It's for everyday basis, but if you're going for a party or something, you need high coverage foundation, which this foundation doesn't give. So guys, do use this brush like very light handed. Like, you don't need to rub it like ऐसे नहीं rub करना. You just need to pat it like this, and feel that. आप अपने फिंगर्स के साथ भी इसको कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज फिंगर्स के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा ब्लेंड होता है. Set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. Take a little bit of this and I'm just gonna set my base. For contouring, I'll be using the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. in the shade medium tan. So this is my shade I'm gonna be using on my face. Sorry, I put the light. So it's a 2-in-1. You get the highlighter as well. So make a 3 on your face like this. So I have a bigger forehead, so I'd like to put in a lot of it. And then I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna contour my nose from the tip of my nose to this way, and I'd like to contour here as well. So this way I contour my face. And for contouring I'll be using this MAC the PAC 368 brush. So I'm just gonna, yep guys, it's my favorite part, and that is the cheek blush. And right now मेरा favorite है Etude House का Dear Darling tint. This is love. So I'm just gonna take, it's a have an applicator like this, and I'm just gonna make a heart of it. Oh my god, it just, I love when someone compliments me of my rosy cheeks. So I'm gonna be using my fingers. Make sure that your fingers are clean. So I'm just gonna, will just set my base, and for that I'll be using the MAC Fix Prep and Prime spray. It's so good, you guys. I'm gonna spray it on my face right now. So I will wait for this to get dry, and after that I'll be applying my highlighter. So one thing that I want to tell you guys is that always apply highlighter after you apply your fixer, because otherwise वो बहुत ही chunky particles लगते हैं अगर आप वो skin में merge हो जाते हैं. That's what I believe. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and then I will apply the highlighter. It's time to apply a highlighter, and I'll be using my Too Faced highlighter in the shade Canary Diamond. So I'm just gonna open the packaging. The packaging of this product is so good, you guys. I love it. You can just see it's so gorgeous, isn't it? It's very gorgeous, you guys. So I'm just gonna be using the PAC 270 brush for this. It has a little particles, and it has a little bit rose shade to it. So basically it's a rose gold. You can just instantly see, oh my god, how gorgeous is that. Your lips, and for that I'll be firstly removing my lip balm. And to outline my lips, I'll be using the Maybelline Lip Gradation Crayon in the shade Mauve. So it's a tricky part. I don't know. मैं हमेशा इसी बात पे confused हो जाती हूँ कि what to wear on your lips. Today my eyes are very light, yet it's very dramatic, but it's light. So I can use maybe a red. So I have red में two options. I have Ruby Woo from MAC, and but मैं वो use नहीं करूँगी because I've used it a couple of times. But I'll be using this Smashbox always on liquid lipstick. It's from the Sobhita Dhupali makeup I think matte duo that I got from Nykaa. So let me just see whether it gives that instant kind of a brightness to my face or not. So I'm just gonna, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगा तो I will remove it. The texture is bomb, and I think this looks good. So मुझे लिपस्टिक लगाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ये सबसे trickiest part. This is my first impressions for this lipstick, and I think by far I have loved this lipstick, and it's looking gorgeous, you guys. Now it's time to apply a mascara, and I'm be using the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. So I'm just gonna take, so make sure you guys don't do this because से air fill हो जाती है. You just need to rotate it like this, okay, and just put it on your eyelashes. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like my look, and if you guys like my look, then make sure that you like my video, share it with your friends, and guys please आप जो भी videos देखना चाहते हैं just comment down below कि आपको makeup videos देखनी है, आपको skin care videos देखनी है. I'm sorry कि मैंने कितने टाइम से वीडियो नहीं बनाई because I have a little baby and उसकी वजह से मुझे टाइम नहीं लग पाता. So I guess that was about it, and I will see you later in my next video. Mwah. Big Pucci. Bye.